Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this monocarbon carbon fiber max carry wallet with RFID blocking materials and even a money clip. And so let's see what we get here. Really nice box already, I would say. So if you want to buy something like that as a gift, this would be absolutely awesome. Very beautiful. So let's open it, see what we get. Here's some description and also some kind of a sample material of the real carbon fiber material. Very interesting, a lot of information. And so here's the thing, let's take it out and see. Yeah, looks definitely very upscale from both sides. You can see we have these both cutouts, really massive, with this combination of aluminum and carbon fiber, which makes it RFID blocking. And of course this clip here is not a belt clip, this is a money clip, and so you can see it works very easy to put a couple of bills here and remove them, put them back. Yeah, absolutely no problem. By the way, this is not just a single one, these are a couple of them, so it works very easy. And so it's also very easy to apply these cards, actually easier than expected, because we have some kind of a round shape here inside. That's some kind of a notch. We just have to center it and then squeeze it inside. And it's not only when we apply the first card, it's also when we apply additional cards. Very easy to put them back here. You can see already how flexible this really is. And the good thing is, even though when we have just one or two cards inside, there is still a lot of pressure here. So it's absolutely not loose. When we have just a few cards, you can see you really have to push hard that they move a little bit. And so let's also see how many we can add in just one step. So I've opened the whole thing and I put them here inside. And you can see it was even super easy to apply these 30 cards. These are whopping 30 cards and they fit absolutely awesome. And because of these nice cutouts, we are still able to easily grab single one here and put it back again. Absolutely no problem. By the way, this was not number 30, this was number 31. The black one here is number 31. So we have 31 of these cards now here inside. Absolutely phenomenal. And as we know, there's some kind of magnetic trend these days with these MagSafe things, and because there's solid metal here inside, would definitely also work with a magnet. Of course, I would recommend to be a little bit careful with magnets regarding credit cards, but of course it's your decision what to do with your credit cards. So it's definitely very beautiful, nice, sturdy build, as good as it gets. So from my side, definitely full recommendation for this thing. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and go watching. See you next time.